CS2 arbitrage, one of the easiest ways to make money doing nothing. A way I found pretty useful is going to Price Empire. If you haven't heard of it, they just have a lot of pricing data. So head over to the website, hover over apps right here, go to price comparison. This lets you compare the prices between a site to another site. Pretty straightforward. Halo Skins is one of the best ones. If you don't have a UPIN or Buff account and don't want to make one, Halo Skins is the next best alternative. It's like it's like I think it's in Singapore, so it's has both Chinese people and Americans, so you can find pretty good prices. You want to copy these settings I have right here. Blacklist stickers, because stickers just don't move. I don't know why they would even include it. It takes up a lot of space. Price range, you want to go to 1 day. Minimum Steam volume 8. I leave these at from 1 to 5. I don't know what they do. Maybe if you mess around with it, you'll figure it out. This, I leave at the liquidity, I leave at a minimum of 50, because if it's any less than that, it'll take forever to sell. Minimum ROI, of course, you want to make some profit. I have it at 5%. Max ROI, I have it at 30. You could go higher, but I find anything higher is like it's items that are either pumped, that they're high risk. If you have to wait the week long trade hold, they may crash, or they're very illiquid, so it's hard to sell them. Min price I have at $10, max price I have at 50, so it's really up to you. So with these settings, I have fees set to 4% because that's the fee for selling and withdrawing on skin float for me. So if you go down here, you can see, these are pretty small: 75-cent profit, 80-cent profit, $2.62, not bad. That's about 14%. This right here is 20%. Crimson foil, $2.40. I was looking earlier. I found right here, scroll down, the Eye of Zapims on the AUG for factory new on Halo skins is $26 right here. You have it open, 2607. You could buy a few of them for around that price. If you want to sell that same exact one, say if you look at the float, 0.5 set, 0.057, 0.68, pretty high float, factory new. You can see that on CS float, they're all listed at about $34. You can make almost $10 per sale. You can see the buy orders are at $30 for this. And you look at the graph right here, they're all selling for about 30, 33, 34. So at the very worst, you'll make only $4 if you wait for that 1 week. The skin hasn't dipped below $26 since October 2nd. So I would say, in my opinion, this is pretty safe. And to match you guys with this, I've deposited $50 onto my CS float, or onto my Halo skins. So I'll just go ahead and buy this one. All right, let's keep going. So now I have $24, 87 cents left. Keep trying to find some deals. So here I found the MP9 Latte Rush right over here. I changed up some of my settings, sorted by profit descending. Found it with the same exact parameters as the other one. I think I changed up the min price, but nothing else. If you guys aren't finding a lot of skins, you could always change these up just to match whatever you're comfortable with. With the MP9 Latte Rush, you can see that field tested is listed for $24 for high float field tested. Now, if we look at CS float, we can see a high float one is listed for 31. If we look it out the sales graph, we can see it's probably heading down. I don't know, that margin's not. I think with the way the graph looks, it's probably going to keep going down. So this, I mean, if you want to take the risk for a couple of dollars, you could. I personally won't. I don't think this one's a good investment. After searching around for a while, I couldn't find anything else with a high enough liquidity for me to want to purchase it. But I mean, a simple one right here is the case. You get 18% ROI. I mean, it's only 7 cents profit, but if you look here, the recoil case on Halo skins is 38 cents, and they have quite a few of them. I'd say maybe like 100 plus. And then the recoil case listed on CS Float is currently listed at 46 cents for the cheapest one. There's buy orders for 45 cents. So I mean, you can make, and I have it listed with after fees, so you'll make about 18% after fees. And go ahead and buy a few right now. All right, I'll buy 65. Perfect. All right, here's the AUG we got. Pretty clean. Here are all the cases. I have a few more buy orders still coming in, but it's going to fill out pretty nicely.